Hi friends, good evening to all of you and welcome to my channel New Mission Mod. Friend, now I am going to continue my spoken English series, and if you are interested to continue with me, then you can join, you can watch my video, and you can continue with us, and you can also like, share and subscribe my video. And friend, it is my humble request that if you able to find my mistake, then you can tell me by comment section. Friend, let's let's start the video. I want to say that all of us can improve ourselves in the coming year, that means year of 2021, so that we can mm, make ourselves as a perfect man and perfect woman. It may be possible some women, or that means some girls uh, uh, are girls will also join to my channel. So I want to say that all of us can make ourselves as a perfect man or woman, and uh, we can uh, I hope that we will uh, able to improve ourselves and able to build up a high confidence, so that uh, we we will able to present ourselves everywhere and anytime. So friends, if all things which I have said uh, are uh, favorable to our condition, then you can climb for ourselves and continue with my continue with me. Friend, as we know that from tomorrow we will enter a new year, that means 2021. So we should take a resolution, take a oath by ourselves, that uh, we can uh, this resolution should be full committed with ourselves. That means if I will take a resolution, then it is totally depend on me, and totally mm, uh, uh, for only for me, and just uh, uh, all of us can take a resolution for the new coming year, uh, so that we can continue a self motivation from now, not outsider, but uh, we can maintain a self motivation without any motivational speaker uh, everywhere, any times. So friend, it's this resolution should be totally depend on ourselves. So uh, we should committed to our resolution, and we will have to prove ourselves at the last of the moment of the year 2021. And we all can analyze after the last of year 2021, that um, are we able to are we able to uh, improve ourselves or not. And at the mid of the year, anytime we we will have to uh, re-judge and recheck our goal and destination. That means what is our resolution, what is what is my oath that which is taken by me today. That means for the new coming years, uh, w- and where is I stand for the resolution. So I want to say that every time and every moment we will have to analyze ourselves, that uh, it may be possible or not, that we will complete our resolution. uh, if if we find a- any of point that we can unable to complete our resolution, then we will have to change the track, not the goal. If we are able to uh, uh, change the track to achieve our resolution, then we can uh, we can ensure that we will definitely uh, complete our resolution at the last of the moment uh, of 2021. It is similar that I want to compare all this lecture, sorry, all this journey, just like a real journey, just like this example. Suppose uh, if I am interested to continue, complete a journey from Ramanujan to Ambikapur, then at the mid of the time, mid of the place, just like Balrampur, whenever I reached Balrampur, our bus has punctured. Then what is my next option? Next option is either we will have to wait for make puncture, and after some time, after making puncture, uh, I can continue my journey, rest of the journey by the bus. And the next option is available, that I can change my bus, or to another bus, uh, at the same time, if there is possible, uh, if there is possible, then I can take a taxi, or take a lift from car or bus, whatever possible, to continue our rest of the journey. And if I I I will able to take a lift from car, uh, then I will definitely complete my journey uh, uh, for by the very short time, in the very short time. So I want to clear that if you have clear vision, then you will achieve your vision, achieve your goal definitely, until or unless at the last of the moment. But you can ensure that you can achieve, we can achieve our goal definitely. Thanks, bro. uh, Thanks for watching very patiently. Thanks a lot.